Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your messages when they're not loading or working on your PlayStation 5. And there's a couple different fixes that we can try, but I'm going to show you how to refresh the messages. So press the PlayStation button on the controller, go on down to the game base right here and select this. Then under here we want to press options on the controller and then go to the game base. Then under here use the D-pad and go to the right and go to game base settings. Scroll on down, go to refresh group information, refresh messages and group details. And this will refresh all your messages, and it's just going to go ahead and spin and load, and when that completes it should be good to go. Now another thing that we can do is press the PlayStation button, go on over to power and then turn off our PlayStation 5. And then just leave it unplugged from the wall lit for like a minute and then plug it back in, clear the cache on it. And this should fix that issue as well. Now if that doesn't clear up, we want to go back to the home screen, go up to the top and go to settings. Then go to users and accounts. And then scroll on down and we want to go to other. We could try restoring the licenses, maybe we have an issue with those. Or we can go to sign out right here. So we'll sign out of the PlayStation, we'll have to sign back in with our email address and password, and sometimes this will prompt all your messages, your notifications, everything just to refresh as well. So if you do have an issue with that, try signing out, signing back in, and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.